Hello, my name is Philip, and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today, I will explain to you how to use what or which. What or which are question words like who, where, when, and why. What is used to ask a question with a lot of possible answers. The person answering the question does not need to limit their reply. They can choose anything they can think of. For example, what do you want to eat for lunch? What shall we do tomorrow? What time should we meet? On the other hand, which is used when there are a limited number of answers to the question. This is often obvious from the context. For example, which do you want to eat, the sandwich or the melon? We can go to France, Spain, or Portugal. Which would you like? I'm free at 12 p.m. or 3 p.m. Which time should we meet at? Remember, you can practice these and many other grammar points with me, Philip, your Skype class teacher. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.